Hey, sometimes in a campaign, you just need to make sure that an email is seen. And so when that's the case, what I'll do is I'll throw into my Infusionsoft campaign, I've got my email, I'll put a small delay timer, maybe like a couple hours, just to make sure that people see what I'm trying to get to them. And if they see it on their own, that's fantastic. But if they don't, then I'm going to want to text them. I'll keep this kind of between range to make sure I text them at the right time. And so I'll send a text message, and just to make sure that they saw it, I'm going to include something called a trackable link. So over here in Fix Your Funnel, I'm going to create a campaign builder message, and I can choose one of my numbers. So I'm going to send a message that says, make sure it's seen, right? So I'm going to go ahead and merge in their first name. And here I'm going to also merge in their email address, just in case we have their right phone number, not their email address, then I can find that out as well. So here's the text message I came up with. First name, I sent you an important email. I sent it to such and such, subject urgent. And I can add in. So that's great. And I can make sure then that they go and check that email. But maybe I just want to get them to the resource. And so that's where a trackable link can come in. So alternatively, I could send them to a destination. So here's the first name. I sent you an email link to this video. It's pretty important, so check it out. And then we're going to do something called a trackable link. And we're going to create a new one here. And we're going to name it. Then we'll put in our video. Okay, in my case, I'll do this ultimate networking strategy tutorial, say that. And I can also add a tag. Okay, so I'll just pick this tag. I can create a new one if I needed to. I'm going to click save. And that is the video that's right there. So I'm going to put that in right there. And what's going to happen is that tag will get applied when they tap on this link. So this is a great way to be able to track if somebody is interacting with my message. So I'll click create message. And now I just copy and paste this over. The way that I'll accelerate this sometimes is I'll just copy this right side, paste it in there, then copy that, paste it over there, because that's the name. That'll work great. All right, so that's fantastic. I got it ready and I can go ahead and test it out. Now, I'll put at the back side of this an email link click or a tag applied. And that way, if they click the link in the email, it'll pull them through the sequence. If within 2 hours they haven't done that, but they tap on the link in my text message, I can move them on to the next sequence. And that's a really powerful way to make sure your message is seen and interacted with using text message as a backup to email. If you have any questions on how to start utilizing text messaging in your campaigns, go ahead and click on this little link down here in the bottom right corner and ask us a question. We'll be happy to answer it for you.